Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign a PDF document without Adobe. First, understand that you do not need expensive or complex software for this common task. Many operating systems now include robust features that simplify digital document signing. We will cover methods using your computer's built-in applications and reliable web-based tools. You will learn efficient ways to get your documents signed swiftly and accurately. For those using a Mac, the Preview application is incredibly powerful for signing PDFs. Simply open your document in Preview, then look for the markup toolbar, often visible as a small pen icon. Click the Signature button to create a new signature using your trackpad or even your webcam. Once created, you can easily drag and resize your signature onto the document. Save your file, and your PDF is officially signed. On Windows, the Microsoft Edge browser provides a simple solution for signing PDFs without extra software. Open your PDF file directly with Edge. Once the document is open, find the drawing tools or the text box option on the toolbar at the top. You can use your mouse or a stylus to draw your signature, or simply type your name and adjust its appearance. After placing it where needed, click the Save icon to ensure your signed document is properly stored. When built-in tools aren't available or preferred, several online platforms offer excellent PDF signing services. Websites such as Smolpt or Sejda allow you to upload your document, sign it digitally, and then download the completed file. It is crucial to choose a reputable service that prioritizes your data security and privacy. Always check for clear privacy policies and secure connections before uploading any sensitive documents. This method is often quick and convenient for many users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.